Hello, in this session we're going to talk about filling missing data. In some cases, filling data with some arbitrary value is required instead of filtering them. The method used for this operation is fillna. Let's minimize this a bit. Go to Spider. First, pandas, import star. From NumPy, import linspace none. Then we are creating a data frame which will be saved into variable x22 data frame, and we have now linspace, so this will create an array which is linearly separated values, where the first value is 10, the last value is 17, and the interval between 10 and 17 will be divided into 21 equally separated places. So we have 21 values. We want to reshape them into 7 rows and 3 columns. Now x22.lock, so we would like the values for the rows from 0 up until 4, including 4, and the column 1 to be none. Also, x22.lock, the rows 0, 1, and 2 will be none as well. We would like to print this out. Print x22 equal and new line and x22, and print some dashes. Execute this. So we have indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we have columns 0, 1, and 2. The values will be from 10 up until 17. In this line here, we have values from 0 up until 4. For the column 1 will be nones. So this is none, this none, this is none, and this is none. For the column 2, row 0, 1, and 2 will be none as well. Okay, we can see the difference between every consecutive elements is 0.35. So let's do it. 15.6 minus 15.25 should be 0.35. And then 15.95 minus 15.6 should be 0.344999, which means that it is 0.35. The same result is in this part here. Filling none values with scalar values can be done using fillna method. So we are creating another variable which is called x23, and which will be equal to x22.fillna. So this will fill every value which is not a number with the value 0. And let's print the result. Copy and paste these two lines. Put x23 here, and here x23. Execute it. If we compare x22 and x23, we can see that instead of nones, everywhere will be the value 0. You can see this for the column 1, where the values were previously none, and for the column 2, there are 3 values here which are none, and here we have 3 values which are 0. The other elements remain the same as in x22. Using fillna can also be done such that different columns can be filled with different values. So we are creating another variable x24 which will be equal to x22.fillna. So everywhere where x22 is na, fill with some numbers. So we have a dictionary now. Fill the column 1 with value 0.5 and fill the column 4 with the value 3. Let's copy and paste again these two lines and put x24 here and here x24. Execute this. If we compare x22 with x24, we can see that column 1 instead of nonce will be 0.5. So 5 nonce here, and here the value is 0.5. However, column 4 does not exist, so this will remain the same as in x22. The result is same as in this part here. Missing data can be filled with average value of the series. So let's create a series x25 equal series. The first value is 1.3, none, 9.5, none, and 5. x26 will be equal to x25 dot fillna. So everywhere where x25 was NA, fill with some value. We would like to fill with the average value of x25. So x25 dot mean. And we would like to print this out first for x25 and then for x26. So put here x25 and here x25, here x26, and here x26. Execute this. So initially x25 has these values. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The values are 1.3, none, 9.5, none, and 5. So index 1 and index 3 are nonce, and they were filled with value 5.2666. We can see here, if we would like to evaluate the average value of these 3 values, then we could do it 1.3 plus 9.5 plus 5. The average value is 5.2666. So it is the same as it is here. Now we are filling with the average value. That's it for this session. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next sessions.